Hi, Reg Ellis for Mountain Watch. A cloudy day here in the mountains. We've got fog around in the Victorian resorts. Strong winds as well, courtesy of a storm system moving to the south of the mountains. Those northwesterlies gusting up to 100 k's early this morning in the New South Wales resorts, which caused wind hold issues for some chairlifts in Perisher and Thredbo this morning. Now, we will see occasional drizzle and light rain tonight, falling the snow above 1,800 metres, and overnight we'll see cold west-southwest winds arrive just before dawn, and with that, occasional light snow showers and flurries down to base levels. Should pick up a dusting of about 1 to 3 centimetres, but the cold air with that change will see the snowmakers fire up the guns. Now, on Friday, mostly cloudy day, a few snow flurries hanging around in Victoria, possibly another dusting of 1 to 2 centimetres, while New South Wales, occasional snow flurries, but again, those cold temps will keep the snowmakers busy. On Saturday, another grey cloudy day with westerly winds, a few light snow showers of Victoria in the morning, then New South Wales in the afternoon, another 1 to 2 centimetres, but it might be a bit wet and sleety on the lower slopes as those snow levels sit a little bit higher. Another system is due early next week, which could bring snow from late Monday through to Wednesday, potentially bringing some good totals, which are reflected in those 7-day totals you can see there. This has been Reg Ellis for XTM Performance.